Welcome to AI Wire 24, your trusted hub for cutting-edge tech and AI-driven insights. Today, we embark on a journey to unravel the intricate web of crises that define our era. Have you ever wondered how our everyday actions might be fueling pandemics, intensifying climate change, or driving species extinction? These are interconnected phenomena demanding our urgent attention. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover the alarming connections between human activities and these global challenges. Our planet's health is at a tipping point, and understanding this network of crises is crucial for shaping a sustainable future. Join us as we explore how technology and innovation can pave the way for solutions, ensuring a healthier planet for generations to come. Together, we will set the stage for action, illuminating paths forward in this complex landscape. So, let's begin this critical exploration, armed with insights and driven by the pressing need for change. Stay with us as we navigate through the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, aiming to transform awareness into action and hope into tangible outcomes. As we delve deeper into this web of interconnected crises, we find human activities at the core of ecosystem disruptions. Deforestation, urban expansion, and climate change are not just altering landscapes, they're reshaping the very fabric of ecosystems. When forests are cleared, habitats are destroyed, and wildlife is displaced, creating new pathways for infectious diseases to emerge. The balance that once kept pathogens in check is disrupted, allowing them to leap from animals to humans more easily. This is how pandemics find fertile ground to spread. Ecosystem disruption is a pressing health concern. As we encroach further into natural habitats, we inadvertently invite the risk of new diseases. The COVID-19 pandemic has been a stark reminder of these vulnerabilities. The frequency and intensity of pandemics are increasing, driven by these disruptions. The consequences are far-reaching, affecting not only human health, but also economic stability and social structures. To mitigate these risks, we must recognize the profound impact of our actions on ecosystems and, consequently, on our own well-being. By understanding these connections, we can begin to address the root causes. In the next segment, we will examine how biodiversity loss further compounds these challenges, creating additional pathways for diseases to spread. As we continue our exploration, the loss of biodiversity emerges as a critical factor in the intricate web of global crises. This loss doesn't just diminish the natural beauty of our planet, it opens doors for pathogens to leap from wildlife to humans. Imagine a world where the delicate balance of ecosystems is disrupted. In such a world, diseases find new hosts and new opportunities to spread. Take, for instance, rabies transmitted by vampire bats, or the origins of HIV traced back to the hunting of apes. These are stark reminders of how interconnected we are with the natural world. When we alter habitats, we inadvertently create pathways for diseases to jump species. Biodiversity acts as a buffer, regulating diseases by maintaining natural balances. Without it, we are left vulnerable to new and emerging threats. The challenge is clear. To protect our health, we must also protect the rich tapestry of life on Earth. As we continue this exploration, let's consider the role each of us plays in preserving biodiversity. Our actions today will shape the resilience of ecosystems tomorrow. Let's not wait for the next pandemic to remind us of this truth. Instead, let's proactively safeguard the diversity of life, ensuring a healthier future for all. Now let's transition to understanding how a planetary health approach can address these interconnected issues, emphasizing the urgent need for comprehensive solutions that embrace both human and environmental health. In the midst of these interconnected global crises, a new paradigm is emerging, one that recognizes the inextricable link between human and environmental health. This is the planetary health approach. It's not just about treating symptoms, it's about addressing the root causes that bind our fate to the planet. Our health and the Earth's health are two sides of the same coin, and this approach demands that we consider both when tackling the pressing challenges of our time. As we face pandemics, climate change, and biodiversity loss, we must adopt strategies that prioritize the well-being of ecosystems alongside human prosperity. By doing so, we can mitigate the risks of future pandemics and create a more sustainable and resilient world. This isn't just an environmental issue, it's a public health imperative. The choices we make today will shape the world we leave for future generations. It's time to reimagine our relationship with nature and commit to a holistic approach that safeguards both human and planetary health. Only then can we hope to effectively navigate these intertwined crises and secure a thriving future for all. The urgency of this moment calls for a collective commitment to planetary health, ensuring that our actions today pave the way for a sustainable tomorrow. As we reach the culmination of our exploration, it's time to focus on the solutions that technology offers to combat these interconnected global crises. Technology, with its boundless potential, is at the forefront of innovative solutions that can address the challenges of pandemics, climate change, and biodiversity loss. From AI-driven climate models that predict and mitigate environmental changes, to biotechnology that enhances disease surveillance and response, the role of technology is pivotal. Consider the advancements in renewable energy technologies, which promise to reduce our carbon footprint and mitigate climate change impacts. Smart agriculture, powered by data analytics, is revolutionizing how we produce food sustainably, ensuring food security while preserving biodiversity. These technological strides are not just hypothetical, they are actionable solutions that are already making a difference. However, technology alone cannot drive change. It requires the collective effort of individuals, communities, and governments to implement these solutions effectively. This is where you, our viewers, come in. The urgency of the situation demands immediate action. We must advocate for policies that prioritize environmental sustainability, support technological innovations, and invest in research that furthers our understanding of these crises. Each of us has a role to play in this global endeavor, whether it's through supporting sustainable practices, educating others, or pushing for systemic change. Our actions today will determine the health of our planet tomorrow. Let's harness the power of technology and our collective will to create a future where pandemics are curbed, climate change is controlled, and biodiversity thrives. So, as we conclude this journey, remember that the power to shape a healthier planet lies within our grasp. It's time to act, to innovate, and to secure a sustainable future for generations to come. Thank you for joining us at AI Wire 24, where we continue to explore the paths to a better world.